I'm changing recording software. Because already I was pretty annoyed that that Screencast was trying to, get me to pay so that I could record more than 15 minutes, but I didn't really think that was that bad, because I could make a really long video into just 2 versions, but now for some reason it's asking 5, and I can't do that. I can't separate it into 6 versions, I guess. Yeah. So, I've seen adverts with Filmora 9, don't know what that is, not sponsored, don't get it, because I'm not sponsored. So, yeah, you'll never see this beautiful face again, Screencast. This big, beautiful, knobbly face. This will be the last thing you'll see. That's what you deserve.